Hello, my name is Jennifer Larson. This is my first reflective journal entry in response to our prompt about the philosophical orientation questionnaire in the Resonant Leader book. Today's date is September 24th, 2019. I want to begin with my values. I stand for inclusion, engagement, and empowerment for myself and all others. And my purpose is really to serve my community with an emphasis on ensuring that all students in Novato are receiving a high quality and equitable educational experience. Uh, Based on the work that I do, I'm also committed to ensuring that all staff members, specifically teachers, have quality professional development and support so that they have the tools they need and the time they need to provide the learning environment that our students so desperately need in order to be prepared for a 21st learning workforce. So in reflection to how my results from the questionnaire overlap with my values and my purpose, I'm going to begin just by explaining what my results were. Clearly, I operate most dominantly from the human operating philosophy, and a close second was the intellectual operating philosophy. And then it surprised me, but a very distant third was the pragmatic operating philosophy. When I look at these results in comparison to my values and my purpose, it actually becomes quite clear. I definitely value building relationships and ensuring that we have a trusting environment both at work and in our classrooms. And we spend a lot of time in our organization doing all we can to create those environments. Specific to the human operating philosophy, I think it speaks most closely to my value around empowerment. I think one of the key drivers for all that I have done in education, whether as a teacher or as an administrator, is to empower both students and staff members to advocate for themselves and have a voice in what it is that we're doing. And I find that we don't often prepare or trust or offer support and training in how to advocate and how to have a voice. And so I think this idea of the human operating philosophy is very connected to my desire to build those relationships and create an environment where people have the tools and the opportunity to both advocate for themselves and have a voice in all decision making. Thank you very much. I hope that this helps explain a little bit of how I operate and my values and purpose. Have a good evening. Bye bye.